Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to delete your RedNote account. Start by opening the RedNote app on your mobile phone. Once it's open, tap the three lines in the upper left corner, then select Settings. Next, tap on Account Security and scroll down to find the Account Cancellation option. And you will be asked to provide some personal information. Since the form may be in Chinese, use Google Translate or any other translation app to understand and fill it correctly. Before proceeding, check the box at the bottom of the screen. Then click the confirmation button. You will be asked to choose a reason for deleting your account. After selecting your reason, click the button below to confirm. Your account will then be permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.